It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Time to get up and pray, right? Or maybe not. What are you like at 6 o'clock in the morning? I'm not going to lie. I'm like this. But you might be like this. So for me, 6 o'clock in the morning is prime time for me to pray. But it may not be good for you. And at the other end of the day, by 9 o'clock in the evening, I'm like this. But you might be like this. So 9 in the evening might be a better time for you to pray. Yep, there is no right or wrong time to pray. It really is what works best for you. Clearly, energy patterns are a key part of that decision, but also maybe thinking about praying at a time when you are free from distractions. So that might be on your journey to work. It might be sitting in the park at lunchtime, when you're cooking dinner or taking a bath. Whatever works for you is okay with God. I know there's been a tradition that because Jesus prayed early in the morning, so should we. But that probably just fitted in best with his life schedule. So, good news. Pray when best suits you. But hang on a minute. Don't forget, prayer is not a chore to get out of the way. Prayer is about spending time in the presence of God, building a loving relationship with him. So you don't have to pray just once a day. In 1 Thessalonians, Paul said, pray without ceasing. So you can just chat to God as you go through the day, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Include God in it all and just chat away as you would to a friend. Yes, finding some quiet time without distraction makes for a healthy prayer life. But don't forget to keep chatting to God right through the day, like you would with any friend. God just loves to hear from you, anytime, any place. Well, thanks for watching. If you found it useful, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.